Welcome back to the next GIS tutorial. Today I'm going to show how to remove no data value or the black background from the satellite image. I've already added here the Landsat 10 band. So this black area you have seen here is no data value. So before the image classification, we have to remove this no data value area. So you can go to the catalog here. So here I have already connected this folder here in the Landsat 8 band. So click on the band 10, right click on that and go to the properties here. So you see the data source, and here you can see the no data value and edit here. So here is no data value and go to the compute. So you have seen here the number. So remove this one and click OK. So you can apply it and click here OK. So after this you can easily classify the image, and it will be helpful for your further work. So again I would like to do for the band, next band here. So let's do it band 6. So here is the band 6. So now here you can go to the catalog and go to the 6 here and repeat the same process. Right click here and go to the properties. You'll see here the no data value, edit that one and compute it. Now you can remove this number, click OK. Again I'll do it for the band 5. Again go to the catalog here, properties, edit the no data value, compute it and remove this one. So these all the image, satellite image was removed with the no data value. That will be helpful for you the image classification. Now you can save it with the new folder, so you can work that for the image classification. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you for watching.